Hypersonic simply means flying faster than Mach 5, over 5 times the speed of sound, or more than 6,000 kilometers per hour. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that leave the atmosphere and follow a fixed arc, hypersonic systems stay lower and can change course mid-flight. This combination of extreme speed and maneuverability makes them far harder to detect and intercept. For defense planners, that means less time to react. Tracking systems lose predictable signatures, and response windows shrink dramatically. In simple terms, hypersonics are not just fast, they are unpredictable. The United States, China, and Russia are investing heavily in this field, each hoping to gain an edge. At the same time, experts warn these weapons shorten decision times and raise the risk of miscalculation. That's why hypersonics are seen as a new strategic challenge, and why discussions on transparency and limits are so important. Beyond hypersonic weapons, another revolution is happening on the battlefield: autonomous military robots.
Okay, let's get these supplies unloaded quickly.
Roger that. Sector's clear. Move with purpose.
We are not just talking about drones in the sky. Ground robots now assist in logistics, carry supplies, and even scout dangerous areas before soldiers move in. The big leap is autonomy. With advances in artificial intelligence, these machines can make real-time decisions, navigating terrain, identifying obstacles, and adjusting to changing missions. For militaries, this means faster operations with less risk to human lives. But it also raises big questions. Who is accountable if an autonomous robot makes the wrong call? How do we balance efficiency with ethical responsibility? Countries worldwide are testing everything from robotic tanks to swarm drones. Some are designed for support, while others could engage in combat roles in the near future. What is clear is that robotics are reshaping how wars are fought and how they might be prevented. Looking ahead, the future of defense will likely merge two powerful trends: speed and intelligence. Imagine hypersonic weapons guided by artificial intelligence, adjusting their path in real time, or robotic swarms that communicate instantly, overwhelming defenses with coordination no human could match. But with these possibilities comes a global debate. How much control should we give machines in warfare? Where do we draw the line between human decision-making and AI autonomy? Some experts argue that international agreements are urgent to prevent an uncontrolled arms race. Others believe technology will inevitably advance, and the best strategy is to stay ahead. What's certain is this: defense technology is evolving faster than ever, and it will shape not only the battlefield, but also global security in the decades to come. Advanced defense technology isn't just about machines, it's also about power, who controls it, and how it is used. Hypersonic weapons, autonomous robots, and AI-driven systems are changing the balance between nations. Countries with access to these technologies could gain a decisive edge, while others may struggle to catch up. This raises critical ethical questions. Should machines ever make life or death decisions? Can nations agree on limits before competition spins out of control? Some leaders push for international treaties to keep technology under human oversight. Others argue that slowing down would risk falling behind rivals. In the end, the future of global security may depend not just on innovation, but on cooperation, transparency, and restraint. In this series, we've explored the future of defense, from hypersonic weapons to autonomous robots, and the ethical questions shaping global security. One thing is clear: technology is advancing at a speed no one can ignore. How nations adapt, cooperate, or compete will define the decades ahead. This channel will keep breaking down these complex topics so you can understand how they shape our world. If you found this video valuable, subscribe and join us. The story of defense technology is just beginning, and together, we'll keep exploring what's next.